Creating a predictive maintenance plan. So if you're gonna come and be really successful and we're gonna be a good partner to you, build that failure log and build it across your entire units. We may not be the right answer for all of them, that's fine. But if we have that log in front of us to say, this is where we're seeing failures and this is where we're seeing trending, review your previous turnaround reports. And this is an area where you cannot take enough pictures. We love to go through pictures with you because we will see things maybe your inspector didn't see. Or maybe we can help say, look, this is why we're thinking this. It's a great justification. And so those turnaround reports or those maintenance reports, bringing those to the table only adds value for you. It just helps build the case for what you need to do in your units. I cannot reiterate this enough. Bring your fabrication partners in early. It costs you nothing, but we can start to provide solutions or ideas, or here's what we've seen other places. When you've been doing it as long as we've been doing it, we've seen a lot. We can help share that knowledge with you just as you're sharing knowledge with us, and we can help you understand, yeah, we've seen that before and here's the why. But if we're coming in late, we don't have time to talk about why. We have time to talk about, okay, let's get your unit back up and running right now. And that's the only thing we're focused on. Create a watch list for things that are near end of life. Have the forethought and be thinking forward to what am I forecasting and better forecasting of what are my needs. So that our goal there is we want to reduce the emergency fabrication. We don't like doing it at 2 a.m. on a Sunday. None of us do. So if we can stop that, we help the industry, and that's our goal. And then we're making smarter replacement decisions.